We talk football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Securing your business is our core business.
Fezile Security.
Mfundisi,
Aye baba.
bari mini?
Arovuanga
manda.
Kakata una.
Yeah. Manje, Mfundisi. Saturday, 22 August 2026. Mamelodi Orlando Pirates versus Isikhukhune. eLimpopo.
Yes. This Saturday.
Yeah.
Wafa. The winner takes all.
Yeah.
What a game. And you know, Guti, Isikhukhune and Orlando Pirates, there's a rival between the two teams.
Yeah.
Most of the time when they clash, there is a problem.
Yes.
Remember Isikhukhune FC. It doesn't matter which coach comes to Isikhukhune.
Yeah.
But when Isikhukhune FC plays Orlando Pirates, that tendency to play an exciting football.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi iPirates ibakolodane. Angazi ukuthi yini le Pirates yayithatha kuSikhukhune kwenzela ukuthi basayifunda namanje.
Yeah.
Remember last year we at the beginning of the season.
Yeah.
Isikhukhune was one of the team together with Marumo Gallants.
Yes.
Who beat Orlando Pirates right here eSgodini.
Yeah.
Ama team aningi la awaphumi mara.
Yeah.
Isikhukhune yakwazi ukuphuma la.
Yeah.
Mara into engimangazayo mara masilanda le ePulukwane say iPirates iyawina. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. It's an exciting game in a way that this is a cup game.
Yeah.
And I have also checked that Pirates of these two teams will play against each other 3 times. 2 games, first leg and second leg for MTN 8.
Yeah.
And also 1 game for Betway Premiership next week, 7:30 on Wednesday, right at the Orlando Stadium.
Yes.
So tomorrow, Orlando Pirates will play Isikhukhune FC in Polokwane, right there in Limpopo, in the hottest place. So Isikhukhune, they have to use 2 advantages. The advantages of the weather, that Limpopo is very hot,
yes,
and also that they are playing at their background, and it's a cup game.
Yeah.
And they want this time to do better against Orlando Pirates because they were even knocked out by Orlando Pirates previously,
yes,
and they were even beaten in the final by Orlando Pirates in the cup games.
Yeah.
So this time around, they will want to surprise Orlando Pirates. Yes.
Yeah.
And another thing is the issue of a new coach.
Yes.
Case, who was a former coach of Kaizer Chiefs, an interim coach.
Yes.
He's the coach of Isikhukhune.
Yeah.
He's trying to get some combination plays there.
Yes.
And this guy from Nigeria who went away, who was released by Isikhukhune, also came back.
Yes.
And former Orlando Pirates player Umtambo resigned, retired.
Yeah.
And we also have the goalkeeper for Isikhukhune. The number 1 goalkeeper was bought by Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
And then Isikhukhune bought a goalkeeper, Mr. Butelis, Usheng, who is a number 1 goalkeeper there.
Yeah.
So, but the technical department has not yet changed as such.
Yeah.
They only added 2 or 3, like even the head coach. But our Paulus Marcel, they're still there.
Yes.
So that's why I say it's an exciting game.
Yeah.
For tomorrow, for MTN Wafa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what can we expect? What are the points to take home in terms of play now?
I expect Orlando Pirates to win this game.
Yeah.
Looking at the fact that Orlando Pirates has been winning this cup for 4 times now.
Yeah.
In a row.
Yes.
So this is a tendency for Orlando Pirates to start the Betway Premiership or League by winning the MTN 8. It propels or encourages them.
Yeah.
Then you could see that the lot of silverware that is on the way.
Yeah.
So, but sometimes if Orlando Pirates does not do well on this one, it's gonna bring some pressures because for past 5 seasons, Orlando Pirates was doing well in terms of this cup.
Yeah.
So what I see Orlando Pirates winning this one.
Yeah.
I see Orlando Pirates winning in Polokwane there in Limpopo.
Who will be a player to watch tomorrow?
A player to watch, we start from the back. We are starting from the goalkeeper, Umaketano, Meseshin,
Yes.
and also Usiema,
Yeah.
and also expect Hoto, as
Yeah.
was doing previously,
Yes.
and expect Sbilibili also,
Yeah.
because I saw him pushing
Yeah.
on the previous game.
Yes.
Expect the dancing shoes, our youngster from MTC, who dancing.
Yeah.
And I also expect Utito Maswangain,
Yeah.
is a Timbis,
Yeah.
and also expect these two players. I think they are very crucial.
Yeah.
Ogaban Lungu, it seems as yes, so Utolil Eridimi, Orlando
Yes.
Pirates,
Yes.
and also expect Apolis with
Yeah.
his attacking prowess
Yeah.
behind the striker.
Yes.
So I'm hoping that the trend of Umbutuma,
Yeah.
Ageja,
Yeah.
I hopefully believe that tomorrow it will be his first game to score goals or goal that could propel or encourage him going into the Betway Premiership. So I expect Orlando Pirates to win this goal by 3-0 margins.
3-0.
3-0 in Polokwane.
Aye. Seshilo Mfundisi with Talk Football SA.